So this VA rule changed years ago, and there's still people that don't know about it. And that's if you're not using your entitlement, there are no VA loan limits. And you can buy a house at any price. You could go up to $1 million, $1.5, even $2 million at 0% down. That's if you qualify. And this rule changed back in 2020, but there's still a lot of agents and lenders out there that are still behind. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Meredith. I'm a mortgage broker, and I've helped hundreds finance real estate. I also put out educational videos every single week. So if you'd like to support, hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get into it. Now, loan limits only exist really within one or two situations. Number one, these limits only apply if you already have used up your VA home loan benefits, or two, your entitlement has gotten partially used and is not yet fully restored. Then you can still qualify to use your VA home loan, but you might need to bring a little down payment, or you need to stay within certain loan limits to not bring a down payment at all. And this part blows people's minds when they find out that you can have multiple VA home loans at the same time. You could have two, even up to three, and you don't have to sell or refinance that home to get your VA home loan benefits restored. And this is really helpful, and this is very common for those that are in the military and they have to relocate. And this is how lenders calculate how much you can buy or what your max loan limit is with using your VA home loan. Number one, they look at your certificate of eligibility, and on that it tells them exactly how much your eligibility is. Then we have an actual calculation worksheets, your max mortgage calculation, and it shows us how much you can buy with using 0% down, or how much if you needed to bring a little bit down payment, how much is that going to be? Now, even if you don't have full entitlement and you have to bring your own down payment, a lot of times VA still wins, and it's still a cheaper option than going conventional or the FHA route. And the reason is number one, there's no mortgage insurance that's required on a VA home loan regardless. So that's going to help keep your monthly payment a lot cheaper. Also, VA rates are one of the cheapest in the market. It's a lot cheaper than going USDA, FHA, and conventional. And two, if you're doing a jumbo VA loan where it's $1 million plus is the loan amount, it's also a lot less restrictions than going conventional route. You only need one appraisal. It's just a lot easier going that route. And what's surprising is your zip code can actually change your buying power, because VA loan limits are based on the county. And sometimes if you're moving from like a low cost area going to a high cost area, that increases the actual loan limit. So if you don't have much entitlement, that will, as long as you qualify, that will allow you to increase your budget so you don't have to bring a down payment. So places like, let's say you're looking at North Carolina versus San Diego, North Carolina is going to be a low cost area where you're going to have a lot lower loan amount than if you're buying in San Diego. It's a higher cost limit, so you're going to get a lot higher loan limit. Now, you'll want to know up front what your limitations are with your entitlement, so that it saves you making massive mistakes later down the road. And this is pretty quickly. We can get this done for you. All we need is your certificate of eligibility. If you don't have it, we can order that for you. We'll need to know your income, and we'll need to know how much debt you have. Then from there, we'll be able to tell you what your limitations are, how much your buying power is, and the amount of loan limits that you need to stay to make sure that you're utilizing the 0% down for your VA home loan benefits. Now, here's two myths or lies that stop people from really using their VA home loan correctly. So number one, it's again that the VA actually has the loan limits itself, and this is only true if your entitlement has already been used or not restored. Number two is you can only use your VA home loan once. Again, that's not true. Use your VA home loan several times in a row. You either need to bring a down payment, or you have to keep it within a certain loan limit in order to not bring a down payment. And VA home loans, it's a powerful real estate wealth building tool if you know how to use it correctly. And this is how military families are building wealth. So number one, they're keeping the house instead of selling it and renting it out. Then they use their remaining entitlement to use their VA home loan again. Then if they have to bring a little bit of down payment, they know up front, or they keep it within a certain limit of the purchase price so they don't have to bring a down payment at all. And then they buy a house, rent it out, and they're able to build up rental portfolios where they live, and they rent it out to other military families as well. So if you're planning to buy a house and you want my help in 2026, click on the link in the description, schedule a call, and I'll be in touch.